This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, August 20th of 2013. Well, we got a few things to keep our eye on as far as hazardous weather for the next several days. First off, the thunderstorm chances that we're still looking at for Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. That's for all of northern Michigan. Now, severe weather is not expected with any of these thunderstorms. We also have some elevated fire danger for this afternoon and tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon, for mainly northern lower Michigan, and now burning is restricted throughout much of the region. And then finally, more thunderstorm chances arising for all of northern Michigan Saturday night right on into next work week. Impacts of these thunderstorms are still yet to be determined. On the current weather map, we still have high pressure controlling pretty much the entire eastern part of the country. However, we do have a frontal boundary across the southeast states that continue to provide showers and storms to mainly Florida. Well, to the north and west, we see an area of low pressure along a cold front across south central Canada. There are some other showers and a few storms with this particular front, and we're going to be keeping our eye on that as we go into Wednesday morning. That front nears the northern Great Lakes region, and then finally passes us Wednesday evening into Thursday morning here. And this is going to be the first round of showers and thunderstorms that are expected. Now, by Friday morning, we do have higher pressure, lighter winds out of the north, moving back into the Great Lakes region. It'll cool us off for a little bit, but the focus then turns to this frontal zone that kind of gets stalled out and turns into a warm front across the Dakotas. This particular feature will work its way north while another frontal zone drops in from Ontario. And these two fronts are going to provide us with the second round of potential showers and thunderstorms for this weekend and into early next work week. Now, we do need rain across the entire region. Now, not everybody's going to see rain, most likely, and this is an area-wide average, but a quarter of an inch seems like a pretty good bet for all of northern Michigan. As far as severe weather goes, well, we're in the green shaded area for general thunderstorms. The slight chance for severe weather remains out to our west across primarily Wisconsin. Well, more summertime warmth is going to be felt today and another warm day to come tomorrow. Look at these temperatures across the region. 80s throughout the board, throughout the entire area. Some places maybe even touching off 90 today. Plenty of sunshine out there with just some cumulus across the interior higher terrain of northern lower and across northeast lower Michigan. Now, recapping those hazards. Thunderstorm chances for late Wednesday, tomorrow afternoon, into Thursday morning for all of northern Michigan, and then another chance for storms for Saturday night into next work week, again for all of northern Michigan. Severe weather is not expected. Also, the elevated fire danger, warm temperatures, gusty winds, and recent dry weather. And that is going to be for both this afternoon and Wednesday afternoons. Again, mainly northern lower Michigan. Now, that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.